So in this video, I'm going to show you how to drain and refill the transfer case on your Ford Expedition. Mine happens to be a 2012. This procedure should be the same on a 2007 to a 2014 Ford Expedition. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video.
All right, so we're gonna fill the transfer case. We're gonna change the fluid. Here's the drain on it right now. This is the fill. It says drain, this one says fill. And we're gonna drain this thing down right now.
Luckily, this is pretty easy to do. It isn't too hard.
It's about 2.5 quart capacity. It doesn't look all that clean, but it's the same fluid that we use for the transmission. And what we're gonna do is we'll take the plug out on the top after this is done draining, and we will use the suction gun to fill it. So we'll just let this drain for a minute and then we'll pull the other plug out. So we're gonna put the plug back in the bottom one here. We took the other plug out, we got it sitting over here. We'll tighten these up. Now you just wanna get these snug. Do not wanna crank the crap out of this thing. This is like a pipe plug and you can split the case. We got it snug. We'll dry it down with a clean rag and we're gonna get the suction gun and we're gonna fill this hole until it leaks out of the hole. And then we'll be at our fill level. So, okay, let's get the suction gun and the fluid and we'll get this thing filled. All right, we're gonna suck the fluid out with the suction gun. This should take just over 2 quarts. And we're gonna fill it until it comes out the hole, and we're gonna grab our plug real quick and toss it in. We're pretty close.
Yeah, I think you're almost just about there. You get all these fluid transfer pumps.
Yeah.
Makes life so much easier with this stuff. And she's dribbling.
And get our plug. A little extra is not gonna hurt. Get the plug started. Before it starts dripping down my sleeve here. Alrighty. Don't over tighten it. That's all I need. Keep it snug. Wipe everything down so it's nice and dry. Okay, so the training serviced, the transfer case is serviced, and now we're just gonna do the oil change for Tony.
So your transfer case should be all set. That should be all the fluid that it needs. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll reply back to you. Thanks.